here's how you can translate your Google Docs document. So I have this document that is written in English. All you need to do is go to the tools menu and then click translate document. And I highly recommend to give it a descriptive name. Let's say document Spanish version, because I want to turn the language to Spanish, and then choose the language. And you have to scroll really far to get the language that you want. So let's select the language and click translate. It will create a copy of the document and it will translate the document to the language that you choose. But yeah, of course, it is highly recommended to make sure that the translation is correct. After all, this is a machine translation. Human is always needed to make sure the translation is correct. So anyway, we have this document ready in a different language, and that's basically how you can change the language or translate a document with Google Docs.